Bullish torrential slide. Avax cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $70.62 and $133.40 by 2030. Market experts accept Avax could reach $54.93 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $12.56. Torrential slide. Avax presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that takes into consideration really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a suitable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends in research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Avax. Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for disseminated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to remove Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for savvy contracts. While keeping up with versatility, it expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Combined Byzantine Understanding (FBA). FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like evidence of work (POW) and confirmation of stake (POS). Torrential slide likewise has a novel element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can alter its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide. Avax current cost. Torrential slide is as of now worth $15.68 United States dollars. Avax has moved 0.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $114,100,527. Torrential slide is at present position 316 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $5,240,938,414 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide. Avax. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous torrential slide. Avax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Torrential slide. Avax value expectation 2023. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Avax. The Avax cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $23.53. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $21.96 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $18.82. Torrential slide. Avax value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Torrential slide. Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $39.21. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Avax's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $31.37 and a typical exchanging cost of $34.51. Torrential slide. Avax value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $54.89, and Avax might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $50.19, and a low of $47.05 in 2025. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2026. Assuming torrential slide effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $70.58, with a base cost of $62.74 and a typical cost of $65.87. Torrential slide, Avax value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $81.56 by 2027, with a base cost of $78.42 anticipated before the year's end. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $97.24. On the off chance that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $101.95. Neglecting to assemble the help Avax needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $94.11. Torrential slide, Avax value forecast 2029. While Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $109.79 and a yearly cost close above $117.63 in 2029. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2030. By 2030, torrential slide will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $125.47 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $133.32, averaging out at $128.61. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Avax cost in 2031 is projected to be $153.71 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $147.43. And, in general, torrential slide appears to be an extremely encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, by and large, Avax could be a decent choice for you. What is the torrential slide Avax cost today? Today, torrential slide Avax is exchanging at $15.67, with an all-out market capitalization